In this video, I will show you how to view the branch tree on GitHub. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your GitHub account. This should be what the dashboard will look like. Now, once you're done logging in, you're going to go to the far right of the screen where there's an icon that displays your display image. You click on that and you go to the repositories. Now, under the repositories, we want to find a repository that you want to view the branch tree for. And once we find our repository, we're going to click on the repository right next to the current branch where it says dev. Some people might have main as their default branch, but I have dev. Right next to this drop down, you're going to see the branches. You're going to click on that. And once you click on the branches, it's going to give you a detailed information of all branches. You also have the option to search branches, and here you can see information about which of the branches is ahead of the default branch and behind the default branch. Now that's how you view branch tree on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.